Welcome. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to insert gem file. First, you go to File menu, then go here, Insert. Click this one and click this folder, and you choose your uh, gem file. My file is here. I select this one, then open. Now, okay, now click OK. Okay. Okay, now coming. Then I delete this one and again go File, Insert. Then you can click this drop down. You can choose any gemstone here, shapes. So, okay. Or you can change layer color. Select this one. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like and comment.